Did you get an Apple Watch? I'm gonna show you how to put it on. This is the Apple Watch Sport Band. What you're gonna do, I'm gonna show you real quick how I put it on, and then I'm gonna break it down into easy steps that you can follow. So I'm gonna place it over my wrist. I'm gonna grab the little hole in the back. I'm gonna pull it over. I'm going to snap it, and then I'm going to tuck it. So that's how to put on an Apple Watch with one hand. Now let's review how that worked. I'm gonna take it off again, and let's go over the steps. So we're gonna place it on top of your wrist. There's a hole on the back side. I'm gonna take my middle finger, and I'm gonna put my finger in that hole, and then I'm gonna bring it around, and I'm gonna find the hole that I want. So for my daily use, I keep it a little bit looser, and then I just tuck it, just like that. Now, if you need to change the tightness, you're gonna see that hole, you're gonna stick your middle finger in it, and you're going to unsnap it. And if I wanna make this tighter, I'll just go one tighter. This is what I do when I go for a run. So I just tuck it in like that. And there is the Apple Watch. Have fun.